What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Uyi here, and today's video I'm going to tell you guys about WhatsApp. So WhatsApp is basically a social media app that we use to talk to our friends and family and loved ones. So I'm here to show you some features about WhatsApp that you might have not known about, or you might have known about. Either way, keep on watching the videos to find out. So the first thing I'm going to tell you guys about is how to read deleted messages. So some people might send a message saying some things and they delete it thinking that you won't see it. So the best way to do it, I'm not telling you to download any other application, any type of GB WhatsApp. No, please use your normal standard WhatsApp. That is always the best and the safest. So you download this app called NotiSave. This app basically helps you save your notifications. You can just go there. So if someone sends you a message and deletes it, NotiSave already has your back. You get
Okay, so I'm into WhatsApp, and as we can see, there's a message that has been deleted. So I go into NotiSave and I see that, wow, someone sent a message and the message was deleted at so and so time. So this feature is actually very cool if you know how to use it.
So that is one. And two, the second feature is swipe to change fonts on your story. So basically on your status, you can, when you take a picture and you want to just add different, like a text, and you want to change the font of the text, all you need to do is just swipe. You watch it in this clip here, just swipe and you change your text. You don't need to stress yourself or try and do, I don't know for you. So yeah, the third feature is also a WhatsApp status. It's your line thickness. So when you're being artistic and stuff on WhatsApp and you're trying to draw something, all you need to do is just hold this and swipe up, and the thickness of your line changes. You use the thickness you want, and the fourth one, this one, different people have been asking me how I'm able to do this, because I use an Android and this feature is only available on iOS. So they asked me that how am I able to add stickers to my WhatsApp status. So the first thing you need to know is that if you want to have this feature, you have to be a beta tester for WhatsApp. Beta tester for WhatsApp, meaning you get new features before the final update. So this is something that has not been on normal Android WhatsApp, but it's on beta version. So if you want to become a beta tester, I'll show you how you can become one, and this is how you do it.
So in order to become a beta tester, you open your Play Store rather, and you go to your WhatsApp. I even need to update my WhatsApp right now. So when you grow, you see I'm already a beta tester. So for those of you that are not yet beta testers, you scroll down and you see join beta program. So when you join the beta program, you receive updates faster than regular people. So that is the way you become a beta.
The fifth one is voice notes. So when you're sending a voice note and you just want to do other things while you're talking to the person, so you just swipe up and lock. This is something almost everybody should know, but in case you don't know it, now you do. So number 6 is your status privacy. So we all have some contacts that we don't just want them to view our status. Like teenagers, we know who we've blocked. You guys, you know who you've blocked, and I know who I've blocked, and we don't really mind. So we just want some people not to see our status and things like that. Okay, number 7 is turn off read receipts. This is something that everybody knows how to do, because a lot of people right now have done it. They've turned off their read receipts, they've put it off, they read your messages, you don't know they've read your messages. But one thing I like about turning off read receipts, if your read receipts is off, because my read receipt is currently on, if your read receipt is off and you send me a message, even when I read it, you don't know I've read it. So you can snub me, I can snub you.
Oh my god! Wow!
But one other thing is that you don't actually need to turn off your read receipts. You remember the app I spoke about, Notice Save? So you can actually use Notice Save to read some of your messages without going into the main WhatsApp. So you just open the Notice Save app, read the message from this person, close it, then you can actually go and reply the person another time, and it won't. So quick pause. Hope you guys are enjoying today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Just smash the like button, click the subscribe button, turn off your post notifications, and let's get back into the video. The 8th one is when you want to highlight somebody's message. Instead of long pressing on the message and clicking that to highlight the message, you just swipe right. When you swipe right, you highlight the message, you send your message, and you're good to go. That is a very nice feature. Nice. Okay, number 9 is switching off your last scene. So like at this point in 2020, I know that almost everybody has put off their last scene. So you just put off your last scene. You don't really care. You don't really want people to see your last scene. So yeah. And the 10th feature is wallpaper. So you have different wallpapers. You have your custom wallpapers. You have your, I can give you some wallpapers if you want. Tell me if you want wallpapers. I'll send you links to download awesome wallpapers for your WhatsApp background and things like that. So yeah, these are the features and tips. And yes, I have a bonus tip. So we all know WhatsApp is a social media app, and it's not like other social media apps that all your database are stored on the app itself. WhatsApp actually stores most of its things on your phone storage. So if you are running out of space right now and your phone is showing low on storage, let me just tell you something. WhatsApp has been backing up your messages. It has backed up. So in order for you to clear those messages that have been backing up over years and are reducing your space, watch the next video I'm going to show you.
So basically, you come to File Manager, all files available, then you scroll over to your WhatsApp folder, then Database, and this is where you see all the messages that your WhatsApp has been backing up, and this way you delete, and you have created more space.
So I hope you guys were able to enjoy and understand the tips and tricks I just showed you about WhatsApp. What am I saying? I just hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, so if you like this video, I just want you to smash the like button, subscribe, tell your friends to subscribe. Like, we want to get 1,000. Like, can we get 1,000 before the end of July? I don't know, you guys, it all depends on you. Please just help me share this video, like this video, and thank you so much for watching. Catch you guys next time. Bye.